Hey everyone, welcome to the Weller channel. Today I'll show you how to make a grass sword in Terraria. We'll need 3 ingredients. That's vine, jungle spores, and stingers. For jungle spores, we head to the jungle and collect them. They're these glowing things. Yeah, these spores are only found in the jungle. All of this is done in the jungle. We need 15 total, 3 vines and 12 stingers. Stingers drop from wasps. We kill them and collect the stingers. We need 12 of those. And then there's the vine. Vines drop from man-eaters. I'll find one and show you. Here's a man-eater. It drops our vine. We kill it to get the vine. We need all 3 vines and we collect these items. Alright, I've gathered all the necessary items. Now we make a workbench and a furnace. Then we craft an anvil and make the grass sword. That's all there is to it. This has been Weller. Like and subscribe to the channel. Have a great life, everyone. Good luck to you all. See you next time.